Bore da pawb a chroeso I amser canu gyda Dotty a fi bore yma. Welcome to this morning's singing session with Dotty and myself. Ein theme o bore yma yw bwyd. We're going to be singing about food today, ond yn gyntaf, gawn ni gweud bore da ffrindiau. Let's start by singing Good Morning Friends, okay? Barod Dotty? Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut o'i ti? Da iawn, diolch. Bore da. Good morning, everybody. So mae Dotty eisiau twymo I fyny bore yma. She wants to warm up this morning. So mae eisiau neidio. She decided she wants to jump. A ni'n mynd I canu. Mae Dotty yn neidio lan ac I lawr. But if you want to join in at home and want to sing your name instead, copy in Dotty by jumping lan ac I lawr, up and down, that's fine as well, okay? So sing whatever you like. You can sing Dotty's name or your name. Ydych chi'n barod? Mae Dotty yn neidio lan a lawr, lan a lawr, lan a lawr. Mae Dotty yn neidio lan a lawr trwy y dydd. Da iawn Dotty. Mae Dotty nawr eisiau neidio nôl ac ymlaen. She wants to jump back and forth now. Okay, barod Dotty. Mae Dotty yn neidio nôl ac ymlaen, nôl ac ymlaen, nôl ac ymlaen. Mae Dotty yn neidio nôl ac ymlaen trwy y dydd. Nawr, mae Dotty eisiau symud round a round. She wants to move around in a big circle. So, chi gallu neud hwn adref hefyd. You can do this at home as well. Mae Dotty yn symud round a round, round a round, round a round. Mae Dotty yn symud round a round trwy y dydd. Da iawn Dotty. Mae Dotty yn barod I ganu nawr. She's ready to sing I ganu because she's done all that really good warming up and I'm sure you are as well. Nawr, ein thema heddi yw bwyd, food. A mae gen I, mae gen I basket shopper. I've got a shopping basket. A mae gen I pethau wahanol yn y basket. I've got some different things in the basket. So gawn ni canu beth sydd yn y basket shopper. Let's sing together beth sydd yn y basket shopper. What's in the shopping basket? And one by one, we can have a look at everything in there. Ready? Beth sydd yn y basket shopper, basket shopper, basket shopper. Beth sydd yn y basket shopper? Dewch I ni cael gweld. Let's have a look. Beth yw hwn? Broccoli. Da iawn. Pa liw ydy'r broccoli? What colour is it? It's gwyrdd. Well done. Broccoli. Gwyrdd. Beth arall sydd yn y basket shopper? What else? Ready? Beth sydd yn y basket shopper, basket shopper, basket shopper. Beth sydd yn y basket shopper? Dewch I ni cael gweld. Come and see. Beth yw hwn? Banana. Pa liw ydy'r banana? Melyn. Banana, melyn. Da iawn chi. Nawr, unwaith eto. Beth sydd yn y basket shopper, basket shopper, basket shopper. Beth sydd yn y basket shopper? Dewch I ni cael gweld. Come and see. Beth yw hwn? Oren. Da iawn sy'n orange. Oren. Pa liw ydy'r oren? What colour? Is oren as well. Da iawn, oren. Oren. That's an easy one to remember. A mae un peth arall ar ôl. There's one more thing left. Un peth arall. Barod. Beth sydd Okay, so ni'n mynd i cyfri nawr. We're going to do some counting. Ni'n mynd i defnyddio'r pethau yn y basket. We're going to use the things from our basket to sing about, okay? So ni'n mynd i canu 1 a 2 a 3, all the way lan I 10, all the way up to 10, counting from 1 to 10 I 10, and we're going to count about what we found in here. So we're going to canu 1 a 2 a 3 broccoli. Broccoli gwyrdd, okay? Green broccolis. Ready? Should we sing together? Oh, Dotty. Dotty mynd I edrych ar ôl y broccoli. Dotty's going to look after the broccoli. Diolch, Dotty. Barod? 1 a 2 a 3 broccoli, 4 a 5 a 6 broccoli, 7 ag 8 a 9 broccoli, 10 broccoli gwyrdd. There we have 10 green broccolis, 10 broccoli gwyrdd. Nawr, rydyn ni'n mynd I canu am 10 banana melyn, 10 yellow bananas. Barod? 1 a 2 a 3 banana, 4 a 5 a 6 banana, 7 ag 8 a 9 banana, 10 banana melyn. There we are 10 yellow bananas. A nawr, ni'n mynd I canu am oren. Orange, oranges, okay? Ready? 1 a 2 a 3 oren, 4 a 5 a 6 oren, 7 ag 8 a 9 oren, 10 oren, 10 oranges. Ac yn olaf, rydyn ni'n mynd I canu am yr afal coch, the red apples, okay? So Dotty mynd I edrych ar ôl yr afal, okay? Mae ddim yn aros, it's not staying. Dyma ti, Dotty. Barod? 1 a 2 a 3 afal, 4 a 5 a 6 afal, 7 ag 8 a 9 afal, 10 afal coch, a 10 red apples. Brilliant singing, da iawn. Okay, nawr, rydyn ni'n mynd I canu am jelly. We're going to sing about jelly now. I'm going to sing jelly ar y plat. So we've all got to do wibbly wobbly jelly ar y plat. And my Dotty yn hoffi'r can ma. She likes this song, so she's ready to do her wibble wobble. You ready as well? Jelly ar y plat. Jelly ar y plat. Wibble wobble, jelly ar y plat. Da iawn, very well done everybody. Should we do it one more time? Jelly ar y plat. Jelly ar y plat. Wibble wobble, jelly ar y plat. There we are, da iawn I chi gyd. Well done everybody. Okay, nawr, rydyn ni'n mynd I canu un can arall. We're going to sing one more song. Can newydd I grwpiau fi. This is a new song for my groups, but you might have heard it before. Ni'n mynd I canu mynd drot ar y gaseg wen. Okay? So, we got to go on our ceffyl, mynd drot ar y gaseg wen, mynd drot i'r dre. Ready? Mynd drot ar y gaseg wen, mynd drot i'r dre. Mami'n dod nôl dros bryn a ddôl a rhywbeth neis I de. Taisen I sil bananau bil a ddamaid i'r gathar ci. Afal mawr iach I ben y gwas bach a rhywbeth neis I fi. Da iawn, well done. So in the can yna, in that song, we sang about an afal, an apple, a taisen, a cake, and a banana. Da iawn. Okay, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr nawr. It's time to say goodbye. Ond bydd Dotty a fi nôl y fori am sesiwn arall. But tomorrow morning, Dotty and Michaela will be back for another singing session, so I hope I can see you all then. Ond am nawr, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr, okay? Barod? Ho! ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr